Hey plant pals, I'm Mike Kitty Gardner, and this is an update on my experimental shelf. I moved the dead system over to it because I'm going to, in its place, start my Wig Indoor Grow 2022 plant in the AeroGarden I got for Black Friday. I'm going to start over where it was, and see how I killed the poor tomato plant that was in there by cutting the wrong vine. I decided to start something different in its place. Up here, I'm just propagating. I don't even really need these stickies anymore. As you can see, there's nothing on other than what plant stuff, leaves and stuff fell off of it. So the fungus gnat battle has been won. It's been won for about a month or so. Still ruined a perfectly good time-lapse video I was doing. You can see little gnats flying all over the place. But this is the orange hat tomato that fell. I've already got most of the tomatoes off it. I'm just kind of letting it do its thing. There's a little fire pit, and the gnomes should be in there somewhere. This is just a random cutting I just stuck in there. If it survives, cool. If not, no big deal. Got some more cuttings off of that tomato. See, what I did was when I actually killed the tomato by cutting the wrong vine, I took a bunch of cuttings off of it and stuck them in water instantly. So hopefully I'll get some roots. There's my spinach, my strawberry spinach plant. It's still doing good. Hasn't really grown too much taller. Not sure what to think about that, but it's doing its thing. It's not dead, so I'm glad about that. There's some basil. There's a lemon spice pepper, jalapeno that's doing great. There's a basil that I just stuck in a jar in the AeroGarden pod. It's doing great. I've got my thyme, doing great. I already showed you that. Down on here, I've got another cutting that's through in the jar. We've got the mint that won't die. That's still doing great. And here is an experiment I'm doing. One just cracky, one with an air stone. Spoiler alert, in case I haven't shown that. Either I've already shown the video or I will show the video, but I'm chaotic, it's fine. I'm going to move this down to the lower shelf. That will go along with my Cuban oregano, and I can put something else in its place. Because, as I said in that video, that if it gets close to the light, I'll move it down so I'll have more room. But I wanted it because I started these seeds at that level, so I wanted them to be as close to the light as possible. But now that they're actually reaching up that quickly and trying to touch the light, I will move them down so they'll have, a good 10, 12 inches to grow more. And hopefully I'll get some nice lemon spice jalapenos off of it. Alright, well, that's just a quick update on my experimental shelf. I've got a lot more going on. Got the Winter Indoor Grow 2022 going on. I accidentally killed a bunch of plants in one of my deep water culture totes because it had an air bubble in the water line, so I thought it was full of water and it was completely bone dry, so those poor plants died. Again, chaos, but that's fine. I'll plant something new in its place. That's the great thing about hydroponics is if you kill something, start something else. These are just like a couple weeks, like 2 weeks old. And if I take like a cutting off a tomato, in 60 days, I'll probably get fruit off of it because cuttings grow fast. And if I start from seeds, it's about 3 months, 3 to 4 months. So it's not a big deal. And it's fun, especially in the wintertime. So everybody join the Winter Indoor Grow 2022 challenge. Drop a seed in dirt or a pot or hydroponics. As long as it's not a cutting, this is just a seed challenge. You could grow herbs. You could grow things that aren't supposed to really grow great inside, like this strawberry spinach, which it may or may not, but time will tell. I've grown other things that supposedly you couldn't grow inside. So yeah, go for it. Have fun. Because a 10-cent seed can bring you $1 million worth of joy in your heart. So go for it, and you'll learn something. You'll have fun. All right. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Have an awesome day.